According to the World Health Organization, or WHO, the average life expectancy around the globe is around 72 years, with females at around 74.2 years and males at around 69.8 years in 2016. But why is that? Why do females live longer than males in most countries? In this video, I will go over the biology of why females live longer than males, including chromosomal and hormonal differences. We will start off with the sex hormones, which is what differentiates between males and females. Females have two X chromosomes, while males have a X and a Y chromosome. When we zoom into the two chromosomes, we notice that the Y chromosome is actually a lot smaller than the X chromosome. This is because the Y chromosome is under a weaker selection pressure, since males are more disposable in the eyes of evolution. Theoretically, a single male can repopulate an entire population if there are enough females. As a result, over time, the Y chromosome started to shrink, which includes many genes that it once had with the X chromosome. This means that females have two copies of the X chromosome, or some backup if a lethal mutation pops up in one of their X chromosomes, whereas in males, if a lethal mutation pops up in one of their X chromosomes, their Y chromosome may not have the same gene that the bad mutation occurred in the X chromosome, causing further damage without a form of backup. For example, hemophilia is a disease where blood doesn't clot properly, causing severe bleeding. The gene that helps with blood clotting is located on the X chromosome only, so if a mutation were to occur on this gene, females have another X chromosome to pick up the slack, but males have no other chromosome to defend them from this disease. Another possible reason could be due to the different testosterone and estrogen levels. Males produce more testosterone while females produce more estrogen. Testosterone is what makes our body stronger and larger, and voices deeper. But in return, this hormone may cause us to age faster, especially for the males compared to females. Furthermore, estrogen may contain antioxidant properties that encourage more enzymes to clean up toxins and waste created by working cells. This hormone has also shown to defend females against many diseases such as cardiovascular disease. And of course, there are a few behavioral reasons as well. Since males produce more testosterone, they also engage in more risky and violent actions, as well as smoke and drink more. The most significant example is Russian males, who live around 13 years less than Russian females, because they tend to drink and smoke a lot more. But this isn't the biggest factor overall, since many primates, including chimpanzees and gorillas, also have their females live longer than males, despite not smoking and drinking at all, hopefully. And there we have it. Females generally live longer than males, biologically speaking, because of the backup their extra X chromosome provides, and more estrogen, which are antioxidants unlike testosterone, which may actually speed up the aging process. I hope that y'all have learned something interesting today. Thank you for watching, and good luck with everything.